Okay, this video we make introduction how to reset up the machine reference place. For our machine, we use the absolute place encoder servo driver. So on the servo driver there has a battery. With the battery, it can light the servo driver to keep the place for the machine of each axis. Okay, but for the machine abroad shipment, because the shipment time is very long, maybe 1 month or 2 months, the battery will be lose power, or the wire may be loosened because of the shaking during the shipment. So that the axis of the motor will be loose is machine place. Okay, so when you run the machine, maybe you found the one axis, like for example x-axis or y-axis, the place isn't correct. That means we need to reset up the machine the place. For example, we can check here. For each axis, we put a ruler, put a pointer for each axis machine reference place. Okay, this is Y for y-axis, and for x-axis we also can stand it. Okay, here we have a right pointer. Okay, also for the z-axis we have one. You can see here. Yeah. Okay. Now we light the machine to go back to the reference place and see each axis is correct or not. Okay. Firstly, on the controller, we select the 0 button, press it. Okay, and then we press cycle start. Okay, now the z-axis will go up firstly, and then the right axis will move together. Okay, y-axis move this way, and the axis will come to the center of the gantry. And for the A-axis, we'll rotate it like this. Okay. Now let us check the Y-axis. Okay, for the Y-axis, we can see it still has some difference, very small. Okay. And let us check the I-axis. Okay, you can see here, it also gets the clear place. Okay, let us check the z-axis. Okay, you can see the z-axis is also trapped. Okay, so for next step, I will show how to recalibrate the y-axis. Okay, to reset up the y-axis machine reference place. Okay. Firstly, we will select the hand wheel mode. Okay, and then we can use the hand wheel to adjust the y-axis. Okay, here. Yeah. Now we will let the y-axis move this word a little. Okay, firstly, we will select the y-axis and use the slower speed. Okay, and then rotate it the hand wheel. This way is a plus, and this way is a minus, so you can just rotate it this way. Okay. Yeah. Okay. For example, I will set up this place as our machine reference place for the y-axis. Okay. And then we go back to the controller. Yeah. Firstly, we will press the emergency button. Okay. And then we go back to the this page. Okay. To light each group show here, and we select the maintenance. See this page? Press it. Okay. Here has the user parameter. We press it. here we press this one, but when we press this one, the page is empty. That means our write isn't enough. Let us check here. So it shows 3 levels. 3 level is for the user, the factory worker level. And we need to select 7. 7 is the machine producer level. So when we set up the 7 level, we can get more right to change the machine specification. Okay. Firstly, here we input number 7 on the keyboard. Okay, and press enter. And for the code, we also input by the keyboard 168888 and press enter. Okay. After press enter, we can see here our information that means change successfully. So now we get more rights to change the machine specification. Okay. Now we will select this page parameter. We press it. Okay, and then press next page. Here, read parameters. We press this one. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot one important step. We will go back. Okay. Maintenance and user parameter, and select this one. And we need to open the switch to side home ABI absolute home switch. Okay, we can see here is 0. 0 means off. 1 is on. We need to turn on it. So we input 1 by the keyboard, press enter. Okay, and then we can go back here, press the parameter page. Okay, and next page, and press this one. Okay, here we press this one, ABS absolute home side. Press this one. Okay, it shows this window to reset up the machine reference place for each axis. Okay, before we set if for example now we want to set Y, so we just press this one. For each time we only can set one axis. Okay. One important thing, before we set Y, we must make sure the 0 button is selected. Okay, we press this one, and make sure the emergency button is pressed. Okay, and then we press side Y. Now we can see here isn't 0, right? Now we press side Y. Right? Yes. Now we can see here the Y-axis is changing to 0. That means for the Y-axis machine reference place is set up successfully. Okay, now we go back. Okay, go back. Here is 0. Now we release the emergency stop. Then we can do another draws. Okay.